Blood preservation. In the world of transfusion medicine, preserving the quality and viability of donated blood is essential. This is achieved through the use of anticoagulants, additives, and rejuvenating solutions, each with specific properties and expiration timelines. Anticoagulants and additives. Blood collected for transfusion is treated with various anticoagulants and additives to prevent clotting and maintain its usability. The type of solution used determines how long the blood can be stored. When acid citrate dextrose, citrate phosphate dextrose, or its second formulation is used, the blood remains viable for up to 21 days. Citrate phosphate dextrose 89 extends the shelf life to 35 days. With the addition of specialized additives, the storage period can be prolonged to 42 days. Rejuvenating solutions. Rejuvenating solutions play a critical role in restoring essential components of red blood cells, specifically 2,3-diphosphoglycerate and adenosine triphosphate. These compounds are vital for maintaining the energy and oxygen-carrying capacity of the cells. Once treated with a rejuvenating solution, the blood unit can either be frozen for long-term storage or used within 24 hours. If used within this short window, the unit must be kept at a temperature between 1 and 6 degrees Celsius. Importantly, the red blood cells must be washed before transfusion to remove any residual solution, ensuring safety for the recipient.